I'm Jacqueline.
I'm Jessica.
And we're here to show you that it's all yoga.
It's all yoga.
So we want to start just by showing you our physical traits. Believe it or not, Jessica and I are the same height. However, when you look at our bodies, you can realize none of our limbs aren't all the same. Yet, we are more than capable of getting into yoga postures, and that's what we really want to share with you today.
So, we have Jack, all leg and arms. We have me, I'm all torso. But when we get into a pose, you're going to see it's all yoga.
So we're going to step to the mat and we're going to show you what we got.
Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about some modifications for bridge. And I do have the shorter arms, as we've learned in the past, but I also have a shoulder injury, so I'm going to show you some things for here. We're going to start talking about the essential oil. The essential oil we picked for this is Purify, because bridge is the pose for spiritual purification. I think that's so beautiful. And Purify is actually for the first 6 chakras. And so since that's true, we're just gonna go ahead and rub this oil on the bottoms of our feet, and then it will get all over the body, so it will help that flow with all of this chakras. So Purify is the oil of purification. It assists individuals in releasing toxic emotions and entering a cleansing state. It revitalizes the energy system, washing away negative influences. And anytime I'm talking about the emotions, I'm talking from the Essential Emotions book, which I highly recommend to help incorporate essential oils into your yoga practice.
So the bridge is a really good one for us, opening up the whole of the front body. So what you want to begin by doing is staying on your seat. Maybe come to bring your legs out in front of you, having a bend in the knees to where your feet are flat on the floor. And then from here, you're going to begin to recline yourself back down, maybe leaning on your forearms until your head comes to rest on the floor. Maybe do a little spot check here. See if your fingertips can reach your feet. If they can't, maybe bring your heels a little closer to your sits bones so that your fingers can graze them.
Notice here though how close her fingers are to her feet and mine are about a foot away. So yet again, we're talking about long torso, short arms, short torso, long arms. It's all yoga.
So regardless of where your arms are, bridge pose is going to require you to push into the bottoms of the feet, which begins to press your pelvic floor up to the sky, opening up a space beneath your body for your hands to be added into the posture. So for me, I'm going to be adding the hands clasp, bringing my hands together, holding interlacing fingers. And what this is doing, it is allowing me to drive my shoulders down my back, lift my chin away from my chest, and continue to push my whole front body and pelvic floor up to the sky by putting weight into not only my feet, but also the back of my head as I pull my chin away from my chest.
I'll show you here as I start to reach. I'm not close at all to clasping underneath, and that's because of the shoulder injury. So I actually grab the edges of the mat. I use that leverage to help walk my shoulders underneath. I get more height. And then also, just to show you another modification, I do leave my hands down by my sides and don't try to clasp under there because I'm not supposed to stretch my shoulder out. But another modification is placing a block underneath so that I can still have that beautiful lift, and I'm not having any tension in my neck and shoulders while working also on the throat chakra.
Just be sure you're gentle to yourself as you exit out. If you've got interlaced fingers, undo those gently. Your sit bones go back down to the ground once you've removed any block from your space. And then you can allow your body to reassess and maybe go for another round.